What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog of Life with Lodge. So today me and my friend are going to the beach. I'm here to pick her up now. It is gloomy today, but we already had pre-planned this. I had already pre-planned this, so it being gloomy today wasn't in the plans, but you know, weather changed, stuff happened, so it's fine. We're gonna still just try to make the best of it. Walk the boardwalk, you know, try to get on a rides. It really do be like a time there. Like, I really do have a really good time there. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my friend, cause she ain't never been seen y'all before. Hey, so this is Saleh.
Hey guys.
Hey.
The Energy Sal here.
Okay.
If you don't know, well now you know.
Right.
Tell us more about what we're doing here today.
So I was kind of briefly telling them before you had got in that we're gonna be like, you know, walking the boardwalk and everything. It is gloomy today, so it's like it's fine. It's
drizzling.
Yeah.
But that's really it. It's still nice. It's still warm.
Yeah.
Okay. It's still beautiful. So
exactly. We're gonna make the best out of every moment.
Thank you.
Like rides and stuff like that.
And
they do have like restaurants.
To what is it called?
The Jenkinson Boardwalk.
Jenkinson.
Yup, Jenkinson Boardwalk. Real clean sand, you know, blue water. Yeah.
Where the water's so blue.
We are not at the beach yet, but we are on our way. We are taking a walk to the beach. We got our car. Show them your car.
I feel like this is the cobblestone road. It's really timeless. You know, back in the UK, they didn't really have all of this. You know, people outside on the hub, unless you're downtown in the city like Manchester. That's where a lot of stuff goes down. You know, around here, you notice this is really different. The build, layout, it's very different. It's interesting. Definitely interesting. I love it here. Would not return. You guys don't have fish and chips.
Right.
So.
I can't. Oh, that's cute.
You know what that means, right?
Oh, for real? Oh, wait, I heard something like that before.
That one was big.
Oh, shit.
On the door.
Oh, wow. Waiting on the door at that.
On the window.
Whoa. Wait, hold up. That's true. That's actually fun fact. My friend just clocked that. Because I didn't even see that.
This is the wealthy, you know.
And I forgot. It's a wealthy thing. No, seriously. And that's a wealthy thing to know. As swingers. You know, we're not, but as the swingers. Oh yeah. Go ahead, lady.
Out. So we're gonna put the foundation here. The room is gonna be the corner.
Oh yeah, I could go under.
This whole time, this was your place of rest.
Whole time, this is my house, babe.
I'm crying. Give it Patrick. It's actually giving Patrick. But, woo! Sometimes we just gotta take a break. And
okay, I feel like
the workers work. All the supervisors out there, keep on doing less than your job. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes, sir.
Alright, that's good.
It's that step. Yeah. It's that step. That's this Pilates move. You want to just make sure you have that action.
You have to. You
gotta use that hip flexor. Use that hip flexor to bring you right back up. Okay?
It's all in the knees.
It's all in the knees. All in that lower quad. Yeah. All right. How we feeling about it?
It's good.
Yes, eat it up.
We cousins. Y'all want to say hi to the vlog? Hi, pretty girls. Y'all, they're so cute.
That's exactly the same camera on too.
Yeah. This the Sony. Yes, and the quality is so good.
It's recording, right?
Vlog is Life with Lodge. Y'all can say hi,
Hey vlog.
Life with Lodge.
Life with Lodge.
Life with Lodge, y'all. Y'all better like, subscribe, comment, follow all the socials.
Y'all heard my friend say, y'all heard what they said? They said like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And y'all better because they said this stuff. Alright, y'all, we gotta get to the beach so we can take some photos, some more photos. Alright. So, we just got done from the beach. We was doing like a little mini photo shoot. I had to like let y'all know that on my phone because my camera was charging. Oh yeah, that's like a train. I know you was looking
I'm like, is somebody coming?
Yeah, like what's that?
Not one person is moving.
But no, so yeah, right now we just finished doing that and we're about to head to the restaurant real quick just to clean up a little bit. And then we are going to the amusement park. And then we're gonna see everything else they got.
I love the wreath. It's giving Christmas and summer. Very festive, very holiday too.
Yes, it's specifically for this store, this place that I had seen it. Yep, and we was just talking about it.
Yes, I wonder how
We already prepared too, 525, so you get what I'm saying? We already knew that when we came.
Yeah, we knew that.
We knew that when we came, babe.
We're gonna do that for water ice though. That's like
just for that, because it just makes sense.
Yeah. With the ice cream, we need to get on the rides first. Let's not do that. But how do you feel about getting on rides? Like you have inertia, like
No, I'm like a big kid. I be so geeked, so hyped to get on a ride. We can go down here, then yours on the other side.
on the other side?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
The louder you are, the faster your way goes. Okay. Let's start together, right? On three, we'll walk on to three. Let's do it together, come on. Let's just scream on three. 1, 2, 3.
I can't wait to see you reverse. What? Yeah, that should go faster in reverse.
Time to get a job. It's time to switch directions. We're going forward now. Everyone, let me see your hands. Put your hands up in the air. We're going forward. There you go.
But this is the second one we getting on. How you feeling?
I feel like I'm ready to go on that one again. That one took me back the first time, literally.
Yeah, that one was fun. That one was fun.
I think out of 10, I would rate that through up to 8.
I definitely,
It was that backwards shoe that really put it on you.
yeah. It would have been a cute 6 or 7 if we didn't go backwards. But when we went backwards, that was cute.
That said, here's
That
the
was
one.
cute. Yeah.
Okay, here's the line. You're coming out a little tipsy out this. Okay, don't grab that.
Okay.
You know, when I'm in my UFO, I mean, beep beep boop boop boop.
Right. Right.
When I'm in my UFO, like, this is our usual takeoff sequence.
Yeah, this is what
Right?
we do.
Yes. And my tentacles are usually controlling everything at once.
Right. Why I feel like we leaning? Why I feel like we leaning? Oh. Oh. Are we? Oh. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? What? This is our third ride. The third one. Let me show y'all. This is our third one. Yeah. Yeah, you can say hi. It's Life Will Lodge. I heard him. Subscribe to Life Will Lodge.
Right now, she's talking about thousands of people are coming and attended. I'm going to have to walk, and I'm going to have to practice my walk in those 6
My friend, she's a model as well. Get us a date. She's walking for New York.
Let's do something. Walk down. Walk down is about the turn, about the head. Okay. It's about the grace.
It's about the grace. I'm glad you know that. Because if you don't have that, babe, you ain't got it. And obviously, you see she got it.
Thank you.
look at our pictures, guys. So first, the first one was a little like default, a little malfunction, but we got right with this one. So cute, right?
Okay, I'm gonna make a
Photo booth, we gotta take some photos real quick. Say hi, sis. Just to check on me down. Hey, we gotta take some photos. We'll be right back, y'all. Oh, somebody left their pictures.
Okay.
Expect me to look exactly how I look.
Right now.
Just looking at the camera.
Period. The face is not gonna change.
Yep.
The glasses is gonna stay
The
on.
whole time. This
Okay.
face, you should expect it.
All right, let's see. There goes the floor. There goes the floor. There's no way. It's just like that. Let's see. We gonna catch him. Watch. Oh, there you go. Alright. Together, I see. All right. Let's see. No way. I know you lying. I know you lying. I know you lying. Now that's him. Hey, look at the shoes, y'all. Please, like. I saw that. There's no way. Oh my gosh. He's not moving. I'm crying. No, there is no way. There's no way. There's no way. Okay, this is Kate. Yes, mind over body. Thank you. Everybody up here, give me clucks. Everybody up here, give me clucks. Yeah, you see this? This is mind over matter. This is meditation. This is human core. Like, yeah. You got it. 37, 40 seconds. Yup. Okay. All right. It's the clock. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You're good. You're 1 minute. Ah! What's happening though? It's good. Okay. That was nice.
No.
That was nice though. You did that. Oh,
They got that thing. It be like slowly.
it turned.
It slowly turns.
Oh my gosh.
Cause I'm feeling my hand slip back. I'm like, why is my hand feel like it's moving?
So you gotta constantly like.
Yeah, it's like you gotta constantly. Like,
Like, like the cinnamon.
Oh, they got little.
That's puff puff. That's the African.
Oh, these are?
Yeah, the collage that my mom makes.
Oh, okay.
The puff puff, the donuts, the powdered donuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Our
okay.
version of this is just a little bit more crispy. But this is literally it. I'm gonna tell my mom.
Would be a little darker. Okay, this looks so good, y'all. It's bigger in person. On camera, it's kind of smaller than what it actually is while I'm like looking at it.
Like, this is the size of my hand.
Yes, I was just gonna say, put your hand here. And then, like, the pretzel. It's like she's only covering, like, literally a quarter of that pretzel.
Like, okay.
So good.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. You're welcome. Here you go. You ready for it?
Yes. Oh, that looks so good.
Like, thank you. All right, let's get to.
You know, I listen. I puts my money where my mouth is for this content. Y'all, I was just telling her it looked like we got smacked around in some baby powder. We over here. Do you drop something?
Oh,
Yeah, thank you. Ooh, lucky I heard that.
No, I didn't hear nothing.
Lucky I heard that.
No?
Cause I seen her pick
Did you
that
drop
up.
your phone?
Yeah, no, I seen her too. Cause you know some people they would have picked that shit up and kept going. But I mean as though I caught her, it was.
You gotta turn that in.
Yeah, get my phone back, babe. Give me that phone back.
Oh, yeah, the funnel cake is really good. I will give it a calm 9 out of 10.
Yes, the
Not
funnel
even
cake
8
is
out
a-
of 10. You know,
yeah.
for sweetness.
That cake is that funnel cake is cute. That's a cute. Yeah, I like that. Yo, I got the sugar donut. I mean the sugar.
Put an edit in there.
And yeah, I'm gonna do that. I had got the cinnamon sugar pretzel. And you got it next to you still? Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna do this so you don't get to eat. The cinnamon pretzel. She's about to show y'all.
You see how full it is?
You see that? You see how she just pulled that from the side of her? Cause we put that on the side. We sitting on benches. We ain't put this funnel cake on the side cause this
Going down the.
This is holding that sugar that 0 out of 10 sugar pretzel. You know, this is holding it down.
Actually, I don't know why, but it's not soft. It's not warm. If there was some butter on it, all right. All right. If it was warm, all right.
Something to melt to make it soft. Butter would have. If they would have put some butter on it and warmed it up, it would have got soft.
You wouldn't give us funnel cake not fresh, so why are you giving us pretzel not fresh?
Hard ass pretzel. I've been chewing on bricks.
I need to ask for a refund.
For I wanted to get up and go back and tell them like, you know, this is hard.
Right.
But I know how to give it up at the Boardwalk.
It's a hard knock. Like,
It's like
no,
hard
knock.
knock like they try to bargain with you. I'm good. It's cool. Keep the $7. Keep the $7. It's fine. You can have it. I don't care.
They need it. I guess they're trying to invest in the oven. Oh! I thought it landed. Okay.
Oh, I got a word too. I need something. I know this bread one.
Or hold that cut down.
God. Yeah, definitely. This funnel cake is big, bro.
I know. I'm a little. Yeah, I might
just
put
gonna
that
pull off
side.
I'm like, damn,
I'm gonna
y'all,
put
look.
that to the
Low
side.
key, this funnel cake is big.
Yeah.
It's so much like just powder. They filled it up with powder, which isn't bad. It's just a lot. It's a lot of powder. It's getting everywhere.
We appreciate this meal.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you, go, babe. See you
Okay,
later.
That's myself off.
We can stop that.
Okay. Alright, shout out your vlog.
I'll just say hi.
Oh, okay. YouTube. Well, we're on YouTube right now. Yes.
How many followers you got?
How many followers do you have?
400 and something, like almost 500.
Yeah, so we're on the come up.
What do you do?
What
do you even do?
Do different challenges, travel. Record my lifestyle.
I'm not sure if it's... Hold on. What's your YouTube bad, but...
We'll see when it
Life
comes
with
out.
Lodge.
Huh?
Life with Lodge. Let me
We're
type it
into
in.
a lot, like it's more lifestyle content.
Yeah, we
Like,
do all
y'all,
types of
are y'all into any sports? Do y'all play any sports?
Yeah.
What type of sports do y'all play?
I play basketball.
Football, basketball, track.
Life with
Okay.
I'm a basketball.
We do
Okay,
TikTok.
yeah.
We doing.
Let me tell you, sports will really take you far. Okay? Okay.
You do sports?
I play tennis and
Wait,
volleyball.
tennis?
I feel like everybody plays volleyball.
You were Serena.
Serena,
No, this-
Venus, Coco, all of them. Yeah. Yeah, this came out good. Look at Man Man. He really the star of the
Where y'all
show.
from?
Where's his cousin? Oh,
Where y'all from? Philly? Where?
Yeah.
Philly?
Philly?
Like where?
Philly, Center City. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna win the test. My name is Rebecca. Basta. If you know James, you know that song. If you know James, you know that song. Let me know if you know James.
Drop down below if y'all know that name.
Basta. Oh, they got the Julio. Gone. They got the Hennessy. Gone. Oh no.
You can't find your card?
Yeah.
Hold on, y'all.
Wait a minute, is it here? So prepared.
Okay.
I'm unprepared, but never stay lacking. Always stay packing.
Exactly. You see.
Alright, let's do it. 2 credits. Okay, I can do this. Alright, is this good, Lodge? What do you think?
That's good. Hold on, back. Ooh.
I'm gonna let
Which one
it get.
you
I'm gonna let it
Which-
get like. I'm not gonna move it after this. I'm gonna let it get. I'm gonna let the time go down, and then I'm gonna let it.
Okay. Which one you trying to go for? This one right here?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Please, God, I never win anything.
Go ahead. She gonna win this. She gonna win this. Oh, let's do that on purpose. Give it up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. No, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time.
Okay. You know what? I feel like I'm gonna do it too because I'm jumping in from my front. I'm
Alright.
jumping in. I don't like how they just did her like that. I'm jumping in.
Oh, you didn't go through?
Did it not? Let me see. Go ahead.
I'm not gonna swing you too much.
You got it. I see. It's all in your face. I see she got it this time. I see how the tongue, it's all on her face. It's all on her face. You see that? Exactly. She's sitting on business this time. I don't even think I gotta jump in. I don't even think, ooh, I do. It's cool, fine. I got your back. I got your back. Come on. I got you. Let me see. Friend, don't. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, I got your back. Come on, let me do this. Let me jump.
You gonna win for me?
I got you, because I don't like how they just, nah.
You know.
That's the whole technique to this. When you're doing this, you have to, once you get to, ooh, you did it for me. Anybody grab it. Grab it.
Brandy. That's so horrible.
Yeah, they play with us.
Wait, should we ask him the question? Slap your mom?
Huh?
Slap your mom for $1 million?
Yeah.
Yo, we have a question.
Yeah. So,
Is it live?
would y'all slap your mama, or would you take $1 million?
Wait,
So
say that again.
either slap your mom, or you get $1 million.
Stop mom where?
In her face. Or you get $1 million.
I'm getting $1 million.
It's like $1 million.
I'm slapping my mom. I'm taking the $1 million right now.
Take her to the spa
Wait, but if I slap my mom,
Are you giving her head?
So if I slap my mom, I get the million. But if I don't, I walk away.
You walk away with
I'm slapping. Nothing. I'm slapping. How hard?
Mom, I hope you're watching. Mom, I hope you're watching.
We're not slapping. No, does she know it? I'm sorry. No.
It's $1 million.
Wait, I'm sorry, Mom,
Does she
but
know?
I'm
Does she know what the circumstances?
You better be ready to buy your own house.
If I slap her, wait, does she know the circumstances?
Yeah. I feel like she should know.
She's like, yo, Mom, let me knock you out.
Wait, is that, yo,
You have an option to tell her, Mom.
She knows if I'm slapping, I get $1 million now. So if I get the million, I'm splitting with her.
Exactly. That's what
nah, I'm taking 1K, I'm giving her the rest.
I'm white, bro.
He's a good dude. So if Mom sees this, she sees.
Mom,
She's a good dude.
he's official.
He said, I'll take
Everybody
1K.
else, orphanage. That's crazy.
That is
Orphanage. Instant.
He said, well, how hard?
No,
You gotta slap
he's
her.
winding up.
You gotta slap her. Hold on, we gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah. All right, I'll meet you in a couple.
We are leaving, guys. We got our bags, though. We do got our bag. Hold on. Let me show y'all.
No. Yeah.
Let's see.
It's hard carrying this boardwalk on your back. It
Okay.
really is hard. And carrying it with the color scheme is even worse, sir. But we
Okay.
still do it.
Exactly.
We still do it. Every time.
You see her.
Every
See
time.
her, girl. She's sticking in there. Sticking in